since the intro was a little bit overblown, I'm gonna tone it down a little bit. First thing we need is some Leisten. I don't know the English word, but you get the idea. We have to put one here, one on the other side, and then we're gonna hot wire this piece off because it will screw with my whole geometry of fitting the templates on it. I mean, I could, yeah, we're gonna cut it off. Normally I use these thin ones, drill 2 holes in it, and then I recycle them by putting them inside the wing just to make it stronger. But I decided to throw these away. Well, I use this as a template first, but I decided to throw these away and make permanent cutting edges with these. So I have to sand it down a little bit, make the correct holes, and like this. And then I'm going to name them and put them right next to the templates so I can easily keep everything in one place. I'm not going to show you the full process. I will just show you this side, and I then do the 5 other sides. So yeah, nice hot wire, fire it up, and just pass like this. This is the speed it's working at. I can go a little bit faster if I move up and down, but I rather take my time and make a clean cut. You get the idea? I have to do this to all the sides. I have to cut new elevons. These were the old ones. I first didn't have this part and they were just too weak. They couldn't turn the plane. The plane is huge. So I made another piece. I mean, I actually could reuse this, but nah, I don't have to and I don't want to. So yeah, I have to cut these from 2 new balsa thingies. And also, let me show you, this is part of the Gigawing. This was the main piece, this was the wing. Let me show you something. This is 1 layer of 80 gram or 30 gram glass fiber. I will show you. And this is the difference. So yeah, this is way stronger. And especially this is really strong in, you know, breaking. I cannot break. Wait, actually, let's try this. Can I break this by hand? Nope. That was this piece. How strong is this actually? It's strong, it really is. So yeah, no main spar for me this time. I'm way over 100 kilos and it just doesn't care. Barely made a dent. So yeah, no main spar this time. Save some weight. But first, let's cut the elevons. Yes, if you followed the last video, I didn't find the motor, so I brought a new one, and it's a Gigawing. Really strange. Looks cheapo. It is cheapo, but I don't know. I guess it will be enough. We go, 2 brand new elevons, and this time they are even made from 1 piece. So yeah, really nice. Let's put them aside. for later. So that's it for this build log. Next build log will be cutting out the main wings and gluing them. See you on the next build log.